Let me have you raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give in this matter will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Okay, if we'll have you take a seat here in the witness chair. I'm going to give you an opportunity to explain to the court why you chose that day, that time, to do what you did that resulted in you being cited by law enforcement for this infraction.
Thank you, Your Honor. First of all, this was not the first time I've been at an action at Ground Zero. Mother's Day to me seemed like a very appropriate day to remind the world of the danger all of us face day and night with this missile, Trident missile base right in our midst. And I am just another person. I don't have any great credentials of law or anything like this. But I feel that we have to get the word out to the public that we all face this incredible danger of annihilation. And there is very little way that we can do it because the media are more obsessed with Kim Kardashian and Justin Bieber and his toothbrush, or with the recent glut of people running for office, some of which already said they want to bomb the world. And we cannot get a word in edgewise. And so the only way we can get to the public is by doing outrageous things. We have to go out there and we have to put our lives out there. One time I stood out there and one of the people going into the base, as I was out there as a peacekeeper, came in his little red car, clear right up to my kneecaps. And he was leaning on his horn the whole 10 minutes or whatever it was we stood out there. We need to overcome this feeling that these people who work out there are working for something that endangers them as well as it endangers all of us. We have to do more actions, and we have to really up our emergency instead of being intimidated by little laws that are passed, that are brought to the legislature by the people in the Law and Justice Office, not by the humanitarians. And you have to sit here and you have to figure out what is it, a sidewalk or a shoulder of the road, while out there where people are getting killed day and night for reasons of wars and bombings. And I came to dislike for bombings when our house got bombed during Second World War in Austria. So I have a very deep-seated feeling against war and destruction. And we are on the brink of an international death if we don't stop the Trident nuclear weapons. We come so close to accidents. There have been accidents out there time and again. And just the other day, there was a sub out there that was not detected by a freighter and was not seen on any radar. And it came within 900 yards of a big freighter, which was too big to avoid action to turn around. And thank heavens this was stopped just before it happened. Can you imagine in our Puget Sound where there is no outlet? Puget Sound, whatever garbage goes into Puget Sound stays in Puget Sound. It kills the fish, it kills the environment, and we all pay taxes to this crazy invention of nuclear weapons. I rest my case.
Thank you. Okay, and Mr. Backus.
No further questions.